Hey guys, so I have a whiteboard, I have a marker, and I'm going to practice some things that we've done before. The quick review slides that we do at the beginning of math are there to remind us of the math that we've covered in previous lessons so that we can use those skills to kind of move forward. So this one is from way back, place value from chapter 1. So let's see if you still have a good handle on place value. So the idea here is I'm going to give you a number, and then I'm going to ask you about one specific digit, right? Or one specific place in that number, and you're going to have to talk about the value. So how many tens are in the tens place of 672? So the first thing I want you to do here is I want you to think just about that tens place. The tens place is the second place in, right? In this case, it's a little bit darker, and there is a 7 there. So how many tens are there? On your whiteboard, you would be writing a great big 7 tens, right? Yeah. Or 7 tens is also known as 70 if I asked how much those tens were worth. All right, let's try the next one. Number 2. How many hundreds are in the number 412? Well, I made this one a little bit harder for you because it's in a little bit trickier of a place. The hundreds place is the third digit in, right? It's also not dark. Like this one I kind of left bold. This one you would have to find on your own. The 4 is in the hundreds place. So how many hundreds are in this number? 4 hundreds. Kind of easy. And this should be like, yeah, these are things we've done before, last week, last month, maybe even last year. How many ones are in the ones place of this number? So you're going to take your whiteboard, you're going to write down your guess. How many ones, what's your answer, are in the place of 293 if you're looking at the ones place? The 3 is in the ones place in this case, yeah. How about number 4? How many thousands? Oh no, wait a second. This is no longer a quick review. Here we're moving into the place value that's going to come in 3rd grade. And you're not even there yet. But maybe you could do this. How many thousands are in 3,249? Well, the first trick to doing this is to look in the thousands place, right? So it always goes ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands. So it helps you kind of keep your numbers organized, those commas. So in this case, we would have 3 thousands in this number. How many millions? This is like 5th grade math. Don't do this. Or at least don't tell Principal Freilich you're doing this. How many millions are in the number 8,304,249? Well, the 5th graders, when they do problems like this, first thing they're going to do is find the millions place. It goes ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and then finally, after the next comma, millions. How many millions? 8 millions. This is called place value, and you guys are showing me everything you know. Thanks now.